News at 11. We've recently shown you how first responders are using the drug Narcan to help overdose victims across Western New York. Well, have you ever wondered how much it costs? Believe it or not, the price of Narcan going up, and you're the one left footing the bill. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Dranch live downtown tonight with more on this.
That's right, Joanna. We've been asking questions ever since this weekend's accident involving 3 suspected overdoses in one car. We've been wondering who those people actually are and who's paying for all of this Narcan that's being used across Western New York. Turns out the cost of Narcan is actually on the rise. Buffalo Fire Commissioner Garnell Whitfield says the cost has more than doubled within the last year. It was $15 a dose when fire crews first started carrying Narcan last May, and now it's more than $30 for each use. He says firefighters are administering several doses of the drug each day, which means tens of thousands of dollars are being spent each year.
We're supported completely by the taxpayers of the city of Buffalo. So yeah, the cost is definitely being borne by the taxpayers of this community. But there's another cost that also is being borne in terms of persons who are addicted to drugs in the community.
Whitfield says first responders don't necessarily have the luxury of knowing what a person is overdosed on, so they're likely using Narcan on more than just overdoses of heroin. The commissioner says numbers show crews are responding to many overdose calls around the 1st of each month.
It's any person who's on a fixed income. Those payments are often issued around the 1st of the month, whether it's your retirement, Social Security, it could be social services. So for a number of reasons, I think that there's more money flowing within our community at that time of the month, and in good families, quote unquote, in all kinds of families from all kinds of backgrounds. It's very, very prevalent.
Whitfield says folks are working with the drug manufacturers to try and lower the cost of the drug Narcan because it's being used so often around our area. As for those folks who were involved in this weekend's car crash, their names and their conditions have not yet been released, but of course we will continue to ask questions about them. They will face charges according to police once they're released from the hospital. We're live downtown tonight. Ed Dranch, 7 Eyewitness News.